Good evening, I'm Lisa Ram.
And I'm Russ Spencer. We begin tonight with a story about a daycare incident that will shock you. We have video that police say shows an adult kicking a child in the stomach.
The recording we have doesn't show the full incident, but the authorities have seen a more in-depth clip and put owner Ina Clamar in jail.
Well, Fox 5's Morse Diggs is live in downtown Atlanta tonight with details. Morse?
State child authorities in the building right behind me, they've launched their own investigation. That's in addition to the criminal investigation, which resulted in a felony charge of cruelty to children. So for now, the daycare owner is banned from being inside her own facility while children are present. It is every working parent's hope that a child can be dropped off at a daycare and be protected. One mother says that didn't hold true for her family. She says she took a cell phone video of security footage that shows what appears to be an unbelievable act, an adult allegedly raising her foot to strike a boy seated on the floor. We will replay it. Not all the essential elements are in full screen, but you can see an item, a book bag, hits the floor, then an aggressive act follows.
He was seated in a chair, throwing his book bag in the air, as children do, and the owner, not just an employee, but the owner of this facility, hauled off and kicked him in the stomach.
Ina Clamar, the owner of the facility, was arrested by a DeKalb police officer after he spoke to witnesses and viewed what we've been told is a more in-depth video. Dontrinette Akins is the boy's mother.
I'm hurt. I can't believe that this happened to my son or a child, period.
He was crying on the ground, asking her to stop kicking him.
Physically, the 9-year-old is okay, but emotionally, I asked the mom what did she do to try to comfort the child, only to learn the child had to deal with the incident alone for days.
I can't even really explain that. When I found out, like I said, it was a week later. How am I supposed to comfort him?
When I visited the facility in Decatur, a worker got Miss Clamar on the phone. She told me she'd have no comment. I asked attorney Stephen Fowler if there's any way what took place might have been an accident.
From what we have learned, there are numerous witnesses that we have talked to that said that they saw her haul off and kick this child like a soccer ball.
Now, Ms. Akins has pulled the boy and his 2 sisters out of that daycare. State child authorities tell me their investigation is ongoing, and it's possible they could move to close down that center. Reporting live from downtown Atlanta, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.
Morse, thanks.